What if every time you opened a new tab in Chrome, you were greeted with a beautiful animated GIF instead of a boring black-white page? No extension, no third-party software, just Chrome's own built-in settings. I'm going to show you exactly how to set any GIF as your live animation Chrome background in just few clicks. Now the first thing you want to do is find a GIF that you want to use as your background. You can do this when you simply search in the search section, search for whatever you want to use as GIF and then write GIF after it. What you want to do is come to the image section here, click on image, and you'll find several images relating to whatever you searched for. Find a GIF you want to use, click on it, and it will load. So wait for it to animate, and you can also click to visit the site to directly download from the site. Once it's animating, you want to right click on the image, and then you want to click on Save As. Now this will open for you to save it to your PC as a GIF image. Click on Save, and it will be downloaded to your PC. Now after successfully downloading, you want to open a new tab. You can go ahead and close this if you want to. And then you want to come to this section on your home screen here where it says Customize Chrome. Click on this, and this will bring you here. Now in this section where it says Appearance, you want to click on the Appearance, and you'll find the option to upload an image. Click on this, and this will open your file directory to select the image you have downloaded. So the image is in my download folder. I'm going to click on the image which I recently just downloaded and click on Open. Now this will load it as a GIF image in the background. So you can go ahead and close this, and that is how you set a live animation GIF as your Google Chrome background with no extension, no third-party software, just Google Chrome built-in settings. If this made your browser look amazing, drop a like and subscribe for more free Chrome and Windows tips every day. Drop a comment below and let me know what GIF you used. I'd love to see what everyone picked. I'll see you in the next one.